My name is Sienna Chaloner. I completed a double degree in IT and Criminology. I graduated in 2023 and I currently work as an Executive Analyst at KordaMentha in their financial crime team. It first started in high school. I found learning about crime and sort of the legal system really interesting. And when I was looking around at different universities, I saw that Monash offered a double in criminology and IT. Looking at the unit guide, all of the units that they offered seemed really relevant, important, and would be something that I could be passionate about as well. I really enjoyed my time at Monash. It gave me the opportunity to really deep dive into a lot of different areas that I was particularly interested in, such as cybercrime, cybersecurity, and child protection. Through these different research projects and case studies, I learned a lot about critical thinking and problem-based solving, data-based evidence ways of analysing things, which I use every day in my job at the moment. Having an interdisciplinary mindset is vitally important in my work. Financial crime does not exist in a vacuum. It sits at the intersection of human behaviour, technology, and cyber. I really enjoyed being a part of the arts community here at Monash, especially the tutors and lecturers I found to be pivotal. I remember one lecturer very fondly. She really inspired me to think about things really critically and not just come at it from one perspective. I think everybody there is really passionate about people and helping me build up an ethical and just system. And I think just being surrounded by those sort of people is really inspiring and just uplifting. In my third year, I undertook an industry-based learning program where I worked full-time at a Big Four consultancy. I then was offered a casual role to continue working there whilst finishing my degree. In my final year of my degree, I applied for a range of graduate programs, which is how I landed my current position, which is at KordaMentha in their financial crime team. There are a lot of issues in our day-to-day world now that are very complex, and we have to look at them through multiple lenses. We cannot just think of them through technical lenses. We have to understand this impacts humans as we are, and not just think about how in processes it works. I wish on my first day of Monash, somebody would have told me that it's okay to not have it all figured out. University is a place to learn about yourself. It is a place to evolve, and you don't have to feel like you are set in stone once you pick your degree. Even if you get something wrong or you're not super confident in it, just go for it. Every opportunity you have can be a new way to find something that you're passionate about and interested in.